Justina, back with another video. Oh, hey, how y'all doing, my mooka butts? Okay, so I've gotten this question a lot. Okay, this is actually one of the most asked questions in my comments or like requested videos. How to your man up. Okay, now y'all know I'm not gonna say the word because YouTube be a little finicky sometimes. So, but y'all know what this is. Y'all know what that is? Yes, there's multiple ways, baby, and I'm finna tell you. Okay, so one, you could get restraints. I'm gonna show you the restraints that I have on my bed. And so at the bottom of my bed, right? Oh, hold on, I gotta pull it out. Because I like tuck it in when I'm not using it because the cat plays with it. There's a lot of strings and stuff. So at the bottom of my bed, I have this, right? So this is the thing that I got at the adult store. And it goes under your mattress, kind of like between the mattress and the box spring. And then it has the leg parts on the bottom. And then it has the same exact thing at the top for the arms. That's what I use. And it's literally common sense. How to use it, it's kind of like self-explanatory. So you see this, boom, like that, put it like that, and then, you know, it's kind of easy to do it on somebody else, but like that. But this is for the legs, but either way. So that is one way you could do it. I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna tell you guys multiple ways you could do it. So that restricts their arms and their feet. And then they can't move. They just gotta lay there and take it like my little slave. I love that shit. They be just fighting for their life and my motherfucker just sprawled out like, somebody help me. Nobody's finna come and save you. You're mine. All right, that's one way. Another way is you could get a chair, a regular chair just like this one. Just like this one. And you could either this, and then, but their legs are gonna be free unless you wanna, you know. And to use that, you can either use a belt or a zip tie. Like, have y'all know those belts that have like double holes and it's the whole belt like that? You could use the belts on like each. Okay, and then their legs. If you don't have any of that fancy stuff, guys, you could use like regular rope. Go to Lowe's, get some rope, baby. Lowe's, Home Depot, get some rope, baby, and just, that's it, double knot it, baby. They ain't gonna be able to get out. That shit is fun. It really is. It's a lot of fun. Because it's just like, they don't got no choice but to lay there and just take what you doing to them. Like, they low-key like that. Like, I've been telling y'all, men love to be submissive too. Like, I know, like, as women, it's just like, oh no, like, we're the women, we're the dainty ones, we gotta submit, baby. Y'all know we supposed to balance our masculine and our feminine. That's one of the ways to reach the highest consciousness. Okay, y'all better lock in. Okay, because I know we're just a girl, but bitch, come on, that nigga gotta come out a little bit. The nigga gotta come out just a tad, baby. Just a tad. Now, another way you could do it. So, I really recommend like the belts with like the two holes in it, like that go. Oh, I really recommend that shit. You get that shit at Amazon, Walmart. You get that anywhere too. Like, that's what makes it the best. Another way you could do it. So, like, let's say they're sitting in a chair like this, right? You could put their hands behind their back and do it like that too, like together. Like that, like you really could do like together, like boom, that together, and then you could do their legs together, like at the bottom of the chair, and wrap it around like the pole part, this part. Hold on, can y'all see? Around like this part, or like the pole part in the middle. That, guys, it's so easy. And when you do get them like that, have fun with it. Don't be shy, don't be nothing. If you're nervous or whatever, put a thingy on them so then they can't see. And then you already know sensory deprivation, that makes them more sensitive to whatever touches you do, etc. Happy 4th of July. Oh, guys, sorry, guys. I forgot it was 4th of July. What y'all doing for 4th of July? Comment. I'm getting toe up today. That's it, and that's all. I'm just getting toe up. That's it. I'm just getting fucked up, baby. Ooh, I'm getting turned. Everybody take a shot and a puff pass for me, baby. Thank you. And pass it over here. You can mail it to me. I'll hit it and I'll mail it back, baby. Now, it might be a little stale when it come back, but you know, it's okay. It's gonna be nice. Okay, anyway. Now, another thing is if they want to do that to you, you know what I'm saying? Don't be scared. It's okay. Let them do it. Oh, another way you can do it. Okay, so if you have the perfect way to do it is if you have a headboard. If you have a headboard that has like the bars on it, that is the perfect thing to use. You can literally use anything. Like I've used like you know the strings that come on your bathrobe, like that thing to like tie it. Baby, I've used that. That shit actually works really, really good. But anyway, so like you could take that. You could just first you want to like their hands together, right? So tell them to do like this or like this, and then we're gonna take either like the rope, the whatever, right? And you're gonna start in the middle first, like so in between. You see like where the X is, you want to wrap around there first, and then you want to wrap around the both like that. So it's gonna be tied this way and this, like they're not gonna be able to move. Like if you, especially if you individually do it, baby, they're not gonna be able to break out of that. I'll be having fun. Y'all understand. I can't wait till I get like a man. And like, I could just do this to them every day. I actually recently tied somebody up. And have been. Like, what, last week? A couple days ago? That was fun. But anyway, so yeah, like that. Also, if you don't have like the bars or anything, like, so you know how like you have like a headboard, right? Even if you don't have a headboard, you could still do it. So like, you know how if you have a headboard, right? It has like the 2 post thingies on the side. Use those. Something long, wrap it around it, each side, and then it extends. And then boom, like a bathrobe like string or something. You know, you get what I'm saying? There was another fucking way. My memory's booty cheese. That's from smoking all that. Ooh, baby, I be puffing. Sorry. But, oh, right. If you don't have a headboard at all. Okay, so you know how, like, all beds have legs to it? Like, the side, the bottom. You can use that, too. If you don't have, like, a headboard. Like, so, like, the leg posts, you could, same thing. Make sure it's long. My favorite thing is a bathrobe, the string to tie it. That shit works so good. So what you'll do is like you'll do it to like the bottom of like the bed leg, and it has to be long, or you can use multiple ones, and then boom, just bring it up on the side. And then they're gonna be like that, and then the same thing for the legs. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long time. I've had all different types of headboards. I made every single one work because it's part of the process. And that's it for today's video. I love y'all so motherfucking much. Ooh, I love y'all. Sorry. I love y'all. Don't forget to follow on my socials. They're always down in the bio. Every single video I post are always on the bio. My link tree. Yeah, right now. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, like everything is linked beneath the video. And I love y'all so much. Happy 4th of July. Like I said, I'm getting violently toe up today. Like, so I can't function. That's what's going on today. Because it's 4th of July. Why not? Yo, y'all remember last summer when I had a fucking gnat problem? I realized what was causing it. So, like, you know how, like, when you install an AC and you have, like, that styrofoam mushy shit that you gotta, like, put in the windows? I skipped that. So they was just seeping up through the cracks of the window. I was like, oh, that's why, baby. So now I've seen like 2 gnats, baby. That's it. I'm so proud of me because I just be figuring shit the fuck at. Like, I don't give a fuck. Okay, anyway, sorry. I love y'all so much, my Mooka babies. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.